Good day and welcome to today's workout. Now, today is a total beginner's 10-minute step workout. So, if you're quite new to exercise, if you just want to increase your steps, this is the perfect one for you. It's nothing too energetic, but we're going to be using a lot of step movements, 30 seconds at a time, and just switching things up a little bit more. So, let's get started, and I can talk you through this as well. So, we're going to start off gently with a slight warm up. So all we're going to do is just walking on the spot. So the warm up section is very light and the actual main workout isn't too in depth. So I just want you just to get that body moving. This whole workout is just about getting that body moving, getting that steps up. That's all. Nothing too strenuous. Okay, we've got 15 seconds left on this one. All the movements I'm going to be doing today are either be stepping forward like this or stepping to the side. I'll actually add some arm movements into them as well. So progressively, they'll get more and more movement in. So we're just going to go side step on this one. So back, side, all the way through. We're going to go back to the forward steps in a second, but we're going to add some arm movements in. So we're going to be doing some marches with the arms just to add into a little bit more. So 10 more seconds of this. If you've got a step tracker, this should be good. So you should be able to track your steps and see how many you can do on each workout. Okay, and back into that step. And we're going to be swinging those arms a little bit more, bringing those knees up a little bit higher this time. And just think, if you did this one, exercise a few times a week, it can make a huge difference in getting your step count in and, like I say, getting your fitness working. So 5 seconds left on this one. Okay, side step again, but we're going to be just adding some arm movements in. Just moving side to side, take it nice and easy. Just get those steps in. If you've got some music on, you can step to the beat if you want. I've got mine in my ear right now, so I'm going to try and stick to the beat, not go over the top. Okay. So we're going to be marching on one step again, but we're going to bring our arms up to the top and back down again. Keep marching back up. Deep breaths in. 15 seconds to go. 10 seconds. And that'll be the end of the warm-up. So we're going to make things a little bit more faster now. 2, 1. Okay, we're going to be doing heel taps. So we're just going to be, again, moving that step movement, touching your toes. If this is too fast, slow it down. Do your own pace, okay? And we're just getting our body movement in. Sometimes we sit down too much or we're sat down at the desk for long hours. It's nice just to get that body moving. So 5 seconds more of this one. And we're going to go do the same movement, but we're going to go from behind. So our feet are going to go behind us this time. So touch those heels. 20 seconds left on this one. Next one we're going to be doing is a step jack. So it's not going to be a jumping jack. So it's like a lighter version of it. And I'll step you through, go through that in a second. So 3 seconds to go. Okay, so step jack. We're just going side to side and we're bringing our arm overhead. Again, we're going to be getting those steps in. Halfway, 15 seconds. And the next one we're going to be doing, we're going to be 2 steps forward, 2 steps back. So we're going to be doing like a box shape. I'll talk you through it in a second. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, back. Get those steps in. And then we're going to end this little cycle with just a walk. And then that's the first cycle done. We're going to do that one more time. And then we'll do a cool down, some stretches. So it's a nice short one to get your step counts in. 3, 2, 1, and just march on the spot for me. So do this every day to increase your fitness, get your steps in, or just to get that body moving. Just feels good. So it's ideal for beginners. If you just want to, if you've got a New Year's resolution, or you've got a goal in mind that you just want to get fitter, this is an ideal one for you. And then you can progress onto other workouts later on. So 5 more seconds to go. We are going to go back up to the first circle where we're going to be touching our heels in front of us. So touch those heels. So the whole of this workout, we haven't actually stopped moving. If you wanted to take a little break, by all means you can do. This is your workout. You go at your own pace. It's really good to have you here joining me, getting our bodies moving. Okay, so the next one is the same movement, but we're going to do it from our heels going behind us. So 3, 2, 1, and we're going to go behind this time. If you've got your favorite music on, go with the beat. Won't tell you what I'm listening to. Okay, halfway. We're going to go into those step jacks. There, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're going to go into step jacks now. So step to one side, arm overhead. This will get your blood going around your body a little bit more, your heart pumping. Big swings above your head. 15 seconds down, 15 to go. Then we're going to go into the step forward, forward and back into like a square position in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, forward, forward, back, forward, forward, back. I'm going to be ending this with a static walk in 15 seconds to go, which means there's only 30 seconds left of exercise once we start the walk. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm marching on the spot for me. 30 seconds. This is it now. This is the last part. You can bring those knees right up if you want to. Make them nice and big, or just step away as usual. Last 15 seconds now, and we are done. We'll do some stretches. Like I say, put this into a daily routine if you wanted to. Every single day, put your favorite songs on, different song each day, march to the beat, get those steps in. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Well done. So that was a continuous step workout. I don't know how many steps I've done. Hopefully that has gotten at least a couple of thousand, maybe. Who knows? Put some comments below if you did get a good step count in there. Okay, so if you want, you can actually hold onto a wall, and we're going to do a quad stretch. So we're just feeding the stretch down our leg here. Hold the wall for balance, because I clearly am struggling with that. Feel the stretch nicely down your quad here. Keep your back nice and straight. Breathe and get your heart rate back down if that was a bit strenuous for you. Let's swap sides. Okay, so, struggling to grab a foot. Okay, again, feeling the stretch on the quad here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, do a hamstring stretch. Okay, so you can put your leg out in front of one or the other, hold onto the wall again for balance, and you can be bending one leg, keeping the other completely straight, pushing our hips back, and just lowering ourselves a little bit. So you can bring your toes up, and you'll feel that stretch at the back of the leg here, or you can keep your toes down to make it a little bit more easier, okay? Just hold that for a second or two. Make sure you're feeling where you're pulling, where your muscle is being stretched. So you should feel it at the top of the leg there, and it should feel nice. Any stretches we do, you shouldn't feel any pain. You should be just stretching at that muscle that you've just worked. Let's switch sides. Okay. Bend this leg, bend the left leg, right leg straight. Bring those heels up. Or heel. Nice. Hopefully your heart rate's come right back down now. For your cool down. And the last exercise, this stretch we're going to do is we're going to do a seated one. So grab yourself a seat, grab yourself on the couch, and it's going to be a nice stretch called a Piriformis stretch. So all we're doing is popping our ankle on our knee and just let gravity take hold. Let this knee fall to the ground, or you can place a little bit of pressure on there if you want to. You'll feel that in your glute and your hip. This is a really nice one. Simple one to do. You don't have to be too flexible for this, but it's a nice one to do. So keep hold of that for a couple of seconds. And we'll do a switch. If you can remember these stretches, if you want to go and do longer, you can do. Give it a nice stretch. And again, either let the gravity take control, let that pull down, or place a little bit of pressure on that knee and you'll feel it in your hip and glute. Personal favorite, it's a nice one. And you're sat down after all these steps. Brilliant. So that is it, guys. Well done. Make sure if you are new to fitness, if you are trying to get more active, do things like this. Make your walking creative. Walking is such a great exercise. So if you can put some music on, have a bit of a dance, make it fun, make it active, and enjoy it. Like and subscribe our content. If you like this workout, if you want any more requests or anything like that, pop your comment in the box down there. And like I say, we'll be doing multiple different types of workouts for anyone that wants them. So thank you guys for taking part and wishing you all the best, and we will see you soon.